A Brightside roof is more than shingles. It's a system built to protect. Layers of protection work together to help keep your home safe from wind, rain, snow, and even sun. Here's what you can expect. Before installing anything, Brightside will take the old roof off, check for damage, and make any necessary repairs. Then, it's time to protect the deck. Layer 1 is a leak barrier. It helps protect the most vulnerable areas against wind-driven rain and ice dams. Layer 2 is roof deck protection, which helps keep your roof deck dry and strong. Starter strip shingles are layer 3. They're installed at the eaves and rakes to help lock shingles down and reduce the risk of shingle blow-off. Layer 4 is the shingles themselves. Choose from a wide variety of styles and colors, knowing they're installed to beautify and protect your home for years to come. To help reduce damaging heat and moisture in your attic, Brightside will install Layer 5 Cobra Attic Ventilation. And finally, complementary color-matched ridge cap shingles, Layer 6, provide the perfect finishing touch to your new Brightside roof. Brightside installs a roofing system designed to help protect your home against the elements. 6 layers, 1 system from Brightside Roofing. Together we protect what matters most.